वह किताब पढ़ते पढ़ते सो गया। He slept while reading. He slept while reading. वह अचानक गायब हो गया। He disappeared all of a sudden. He disappeared all of a sudden. सुनने में ये अजीब लगता है। It sounds weird. It sounds weird. क्या तुम मुझे घर छोड़ दोगे? Will you drop me home? Will you drop me home? वह बदला जरूर लेगा। He will take revenge for sure. He will take revenge for sure. तुम मुझे ये पहले बता सकते थे। You could have told me this before. You could have told me this before. उसे भड़काओ मत। Don't provoke him. Don't provoke him. बस जाने वाली है। The bus is about to leave. The bus is about to leave. मैं तुम्हारे बारे में ही सोच रहा था। I was thinking about you. I was thinking about you. मैं ऑफिस के लिए लेट हो रहा हूं। I am getting late for the office. I am getting late for the office. मैंने नाश्ता बना दिया है। I have prepared the breakfast. I have prepared the breakfast. आज बारिश होने की संभावना है। It is likely to rain today. It is likely to rain today. अब भी बूंदाबांदी हो रही है। It is still drizzling. It is still drizzling. ये कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है। It's no big deal. It's no big deal. मैं अब कुछ नहीं कर सकता। I can't do anything now. I can't do anything now. तुम्हें ये पहले बताना चाहिए था। You should have told it earlier. You should have told it earlier. मैं भी यही कहने वाला था। I was about to say the same thing. I was about to say the same thing. काश मैं तुम्हारी मदद कर सकता। I wish I could help you. I wish I could help you. ये तुमने कहाँ से खरीदा? Where did you buy it from? Where did you buy it from? कौन हो सकता है? Who could it be? Who could it be? मेरा तुमसे कोई लेना देना नहीं है। I have nothing to do with you. I have nothing to do with you. तुम इतने लापरवाह कैसे हो सकते हो? How could you be so careless? How could you be so careless? ये सब तुम्हारी वजह से हुआ है। It is all because of you. It is all because of you. तुम अपने आप को समझते क्या हो? Who do you think you are? Who do you think you are? मुझे लगता है कि मैं कुछ भूल गया। I think I forgot something. I think I forgot something. मुझसे पंगा मत ले। Don't mess with me. Don't mess with me. मैं तुम्हारा काम करवा दूंगा। I will get your job done. I will get your job done. वह बकवास बातें कर रहा है। He is talking nonsense. He is talking nonsense. तुम ये सब क्यों कर रहे हो? Why are you doing all this? Why are you doing all this? कुछ तो होने वाला है. Something is about to happen. Something is about to happen. अरे नहीं, ये मैंने क्या कर दिया? Oh no, what have I done? Oh no, what have I done? अब मैं तुम्हें नहीं छोड़ूंगा. I will not spare you now. I won't spare you now. मुझे तुम्हारी फिक्र है. I care about you. I care about you. मेरे साथ ऐसा मत करो. Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. ये हमेशा मेरे साथ ही क्यों होता है? Why does it always happen to me? Why does it always happen to me? मैं ये क्यों नहीं कर पा रहा हूं? Why am I not able to do this? Why am I not able to do this? वह मुझसे मिलने आया था. He came to meet me. He came to meet me. क्या मैंने कोई गलती की? Did I make a mistake? Did I make a mistake? मैं सारी रात नहीं सो सका. I couldn't sleep all night. I couldn't sleep all night. वह तुम्हारे बिना नहीं जी सकता. He can't live without you. He can't live without you. उसे जाने मत दो. Don't let him go. Don't let him go. मैं कुछ कहना चाहती हूँ. I want to say something. I want to say something. अब मुझे क्या करना चाहिए? What should I do now? What should I do now? क्या तुम्हें कभी प्यार हुआ है? Have you ever fallen in love? Have you ever fallen in love? तुम्हें क्या लगता है? What do you think? What do you think? मैं कुछ नहीं कह सकता. I can't say anything. I can't say anything. अपनी पढ़ाई पर ध्यान दो. Focus on your studies. Focus on your studies. पहले खुद के लिए नौकरी ढूंढ लो. Find yourself a job first. Find yourself a job first. मेरे फोन की बैटरी खत्म होने वाली है. My phone's battery is about to die. My phone's battery is about to die. इसमें रोने वाली क्या बात है? What is there to cry? What is there to cry? कुछ सही नहीं लग रहा है. Something doesn't feel right. Something doesn't feel right. तुम कल रात कहाँ सोए? Where did you sleep last night? Where did you sleep last night? मुझे और इंतज़ार मत करवाओ. Don't make me wait anymore. Don't make me wait anymore. मैं अपना सब्र खो रहा हूँ. I am losing my patience. I am losing my patience. जल्दबाजी में फैसला मत लो. Don't make hasty decisions. Don't make hasty decisions. चाय ठंडी हो रही है. The tea is getting cold. The tea is getting cold. वापस काम पर लग जाओ. Get back to work. Get back to work. मेरे रास्ते में आना बंद करो. Stop getting in my way. Stop getting in my way. अब तुम्हारी कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. You are not required now. You are not required now. घर पर सब कैसे हैं? How is everyone at home? How is everyone at home? ये सब तैयारियां किसने की? Who made all the arrangements? Who made all the arrangements? काश तुम आज मेरे पास होते. I wish you would be with me today. I wish you would be with me today. सिर्फ यादें रह गई हैं. Only memories are left. Only memories are left. मैं तुम्हारे बिना अधूरा हूं. I am incomplete without you. I am incomplete without you. मैं आखिरी सांस तक तुम्हारा इंतजार करूंगा. I will wait for you till my last breath. I will wait for you till my last breath. अच्छा होगा तुम मुझे भूल जाओ. You had better forget me. You had better forget me. ये तुम्हारा फैसला था, मेरा नहीं. It was your decision, not mine. It was your decision, not mine. तुमने सब बर्बाद कर दिया. You ruined everything. You ruined everything. मैं तुम्हें कभी माफ नहीं करूंगा. I will never forgive you. I will never forgive you. तुम्हें भी अपनी जिंदगी में आगे बढ़ना चाहिए. You should also move on in your life. You should also move on in your life. ज़्यादा हवा में मत उड़ो. Don't put on airs. Don't put on airs. बिस्तर बिछा दो. Make the bed. Make the bed. नींबू निचोड़ दो. Squeeze the lemon. Squeeze the lemon. नंगे पांव मत चलो. Do not walk barefooted. Do not walk barefooted. सामान खोल दो. Unpack the luggage. Unpack the luggage. उसे टेलीफोन करो. Ring her up. Ring her up. नाक साफ करो. Blow your nose. Blow your nose. जेब कतरों से बचो. Beware of pickpocketers. Beware of pickpocketers. मोमबत्ती बुझा दो. Blow out the candle. Blow out the candle. अपने काम से काम रखो. Mind your own business. Mind your own business. अपने नाखून काट लो. Pare your nails. Pare your nails. पेंसिल से मत लिखो. Don't write with the pencil. Don't write with the pencil. कुल्ला कर लो. Rinse your mouth. Rinse your mouth. कोई तुम्हें बुला रहा है. Someone is calling you. Someone is calling you. ध्यान से देखो. Watch carefully. Watch carefully. उसे मेरे पास भेजो. Send him to me. Send him to me. सीधे होकर बैठो. Sit upright. Sit upright. बाजार से क्या लाना है? What to bring from the market. What to bring from the market. वह कल से रो रहा है. He has been weeping since yesterday. He has been weeping since yesterday. इसमें कुछ गलत नहीं है. There is nothing wrong in it. There is nothing wrong in it. मुझसे तो चला नहीं जा रहा. I am unable to walk. I am unable to walk. मुझे तुमसे बात करनी है. I have to talk to you. I have to talk to you. कुछ काम कर लो. Do some work. Do some work. वह घर पर नहीं है. He is not at home. He is not at home. मैं जगा हुआ हूँ. I am awake. I am awake. वह सोया हुआ है. He is asleep. He is asleep. तुमने कौन सा परफ्यूम लगाया है? Which perfume are you wearing? Which perfume are you wearing? क्या आपको भूख लग रही है? Are you feeling hungry? Are you feeling hungry? घर पर सब कैसे हैं? How is everyone at home? How is everyone at home? क्या तुमने डॉक्टर को दिखाया? Did you see a doctor? Did you see a doctor? तुमने मेरा दिल तोड़ दिया. You broke my heart. You broke my heart. ये बिल मैं दूंगा. I will pay the bill. I will pay the bill. बात को दिल पर मत लगाओ. Don't take it to heart. Don't take it to heart. मुझसे बुरा कोई नहीं होगा. No one will be worse than me. No one will be worse than me. यह सब मुझ पर छोड़ दो. Leave it all to me. Leave it all to me. मैं तुम्हारा मुंह तोड़ दूंगा. I will smash your face. I will smash your face. क्या तुमने दवाई ली? Did you take medicine? Did you take medicine? मुझे हिचकियाँ आ रही हैं. I am getting hiccups. I am getting hiccups. क्या तुमने कभी भूत देखा है? Have you ever seen a ghost? Have you ever seen a ghost? ज़्यादा भाव मत खाओ. Don't act so pricey. Don't act so pricey. अपना हाथ देना. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. जहाँ तक मुझे पता है. As far as I know. As far as I know. कितना समय लगता है? How long does it take? How long does it take? चुपचाप निकलो यहाँ से। Get out of here quietly. Get out of here quietly. बहाने मत बनाओ। Do not make excuses. Don't make excuses. किसने किसको मारा? Who hit whom? Who hit whom? मेरे रास्ते में आना बंद करो। Stop getting in my way. Stop getting in my way. मुझे गलत मत समझना। Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. तुझे इतना गुस्सा क्यों आ रहा है? Why are you getting so angry? Why are you getting so angry? ज़्यादा मत सोचो। Don't overthink. Don't overthink. मेरे बाल उलझे हुए हैं। My hair is tangled. My hair is tangled. मैं ये एहसान उतार दूंगा। I will return the favor. I will return the favor. मेरे सामने मत आओ। Don't come in front of me. Don't come in front of me. सच हमेशा कड़वा होता है। The truth is always bitter. The truth is always bitter. वह हकला रहा था। He was stammering. He was stammering. मैं तुम्हें जल्द ही पकड़ लूँगा। I will catch you soon. I will catch you soon. इसे याद कर लो। Memorize this. Memorize this. अपनी पहचान बताओ। Identify yourself. Identify yourself. तुरंत वापस आओ। Return at once. Return at once. तुम्हें ज़रूर जाना चाहिए। You must go. You must go. बाहर धूप है। It's sunny outside. It's sunny outside. अपनी किताब निकालो। Take out your book. Take out your book. यह करना अभी बाकी है। It is yet to be done. It is yet to be done. वह छोटी सोच वाला है। He is narrow-minded. He is narrow-minded. काश तुम यहाँ होती। I wish you were here. I wish you were here. मेरे बाल बना दो। Do my hair. Do my hair. बिस्तर से नीचे उतरो। Get off the bed. Get off the bed. रट्टा मत मारो। Don't cram. Don't cram. तुमसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा। Glad to meet you. Glad to meet you. ध्यान से चलो। Walk carefully. Walk carefully. अब नीचे उतरो। Now get down. Now get down. कुत्ते को भगाओ। Shoo the dog away. Shoo the dog away. बात क्या है? What's the matter? What's the matter? थोड़ा आराम कर लो। Take some rest. Take some rest. आज के लिए ये काफ़ी है। It's enough for today. It's enough for today. अंग्रेजी कैसे सीखें? How to learn English. How to learn English. अंग्रेजी कैसे बोलें? How to speak English. How to speak English. ये इतना भी मुश्किल नहीं है. It is not that difficult. It is not that difficult. अब शुरू करते हैं. Let us start now. Let us start now. बस मेहनत करते रहना. Just keep working hard. Just keep working hard. छोटे वाक्य बनाओ. Make small sentences. Make small sentences. तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? What is your name? What is your name? मेरा नाम अमित है. My name is Amit. तुम क्या करते हो? What do you do? What do you do? मैं छठी कक्षा में पढ़ता हूँ. I study in class 6. I study in class 6. क्या तुम सरकारी स्कूल में पढ़ते हो? Do you study in a government school? Do you study in a government school? हाँ, मैं सरकारी स्कूल में पढ़ता हूँ. Yes, I study in a government school. Yes, I study in a government school. तुम्हारे पिताजी क्या काम करते हैं? What is your father's occupation? What is your father's occupation? वह एक अध्यापक हैं. He is a teacher. He is a teacher. तुम्हारे परिवार में और कौन कौन है? Who else is there in your family? Who else is there in your family? हम दो भाई बहन हैं. We are two siblings. We are two siblings. तुम कहाँ रहते हो? Where do you live? Where do you live? मैं शास्त्री नगर में रहता हूँ. I live in शास्त्री नगर. I live in शास्त्री नगर. तुम्हारा पसंदीदा विषय कौन सा है? Which is your favorite subject? Which is your favorite subject? मुझे इतिहास की किताबें पढ़ना अच्छा लगता है. I like reading history books. I like reading history books. क्या तुम्हारा कोई दोस्त है? Do you have any friend? Do you have any friend? महेश मेरा खास दोस्त है. महेश is my best friend. महेश is my best friend. वह मेरी कक्षा में पढ़ता है. He studies in my class. He studies in my class. क्या तुम मेरे दोस्त बनोगे? Will you be my friend? Will you be my friend? तुम दिखने में एक अच्छे इंसान लगते हो. You seem to be a nice person. You seem to be a nice person. मैं हमेशा अपना वादा निभाता हूँ. I always keep my promise. I always keep my promise. ये तो केवल वक्त बताएगा. Only time will tell. Only time will tell. चलो अब घर चलें. Let's go home now. Let's go home now. थोड़ा चलने पर बाएं मुड़ जाना. Walk a little and turn left. Walk a little and turn left. उसे गाड़ी चलाना नहीं आता। He doesn't know how to drive. He does not know how to drive. फिक्र मत करो, मैं उसे सिखा दूंगा। Don't worry, I will teach him. Don't worry, I will teach him. मैं तुम्हारी शक्ल नहीं देखना चाहता। I don't want to see your face. I don't want to see your face. मैं तुमसे कुछ पूछ रहा हूं। I am asking you something. I am asking you something. मुझे किसी तरह पता चल गया। I somehow got to know about it. I somehow got to know about it. किताब तकिए के नीचे है। The book is underneath the pillow. The book is underneath the pillow. वह तुम्हारे पीछे खड़ा है। He is standing behind you. He is standing behind you. मैं इंटरव्यू दे देकर थक गया हूं। I am tired of giving interviews. I am tired of giving interviews. मैं उसे समझा कर थक गया हूं। I am tired of making him understand. I am tired of making him understand. उसे तुरंत जाने को कहो। Tell him to leave at once. Tell him to leave at once. मैं अकेला ही अच्छा हूं। I am better off alone. I am better off alone. उससे मेरा परिचय करवा दो। Introduce me to her. Introduce me to her. मैंने फालतू में ही उसकी मदद की। I helped him for nothing. I helped him for nothing. अब मेरे लिए यही एक रास्ता बचा है। Now there is only one way left for me. Now there is only one way left for me. मैं तुम्हारा मुंह तोड़ दूंगा। I will smash your face. I will smash your face. मैं तुम्हारा शुभचिंतक हूं। I am your well-wisher. I am your well-wisher. अब बचा ही क्या है? What is left now? What is left now? झूठे सबूत मत दो। Don't give false evidence. Don't give false evidence. वह रोने का नाटक कर रही है। She is pretending to cry. She is pretending to cry. सामान बांधने में मेरी मदद करो। Help me to pack the luggage. Help me to pack the luggage. इस तरफ आओ। Come this way. Come this way. बहुत समय से उसकी कोई खबर नहीं मिली। I haven't heard about him for a long time. I haven't heard about him for a long time. उस पर नजर रखना। Keep an eye on her. Keep an eye on her. मौसम अचानक खराब हो गया है। The weather has suddenly turned bad. The weather has suddenly turned bad. उसे अब अकेला छोड़ दो। Leave him alone now. Leave him alone now. मेहनत कभी बेकार नहीं जाती। Hard work never goes in vain. Hard work never goes in vain. उस दिन भगवान ने मुझे बचा लिया। God saved me that day. God saved me that day. तुम कुछ साबित नहीं कर सकते। You can't prove anything. You can't prove anything. मैं आपसे सलाह लेने आया हूं। I have come to seek your advice. I have come to seek your advice. तुम्हें इसके बारे में किसने बताया? Who told you about this? Who told you about this? वह कभी ऐसा काम नहीं करेगा। He will never do such work. He will never do such work. तुम वक्त की कीमत नहीं जानते। You don't realize the value of time. You don't realize the value of time. अब वो मेरा दोस्त नहीं है। He is no longer my friend. He is no longer my friend. उसने मुझे भरोसा दिलाया है। He has given me an assurance. He has given me an assurance. हर चीज का मजाक मत बनाओ। Don't make fun of everything. Don't make fun of everything. यही वजह है कि मैं तुम्हें पैसे नहीं देता। That is why I don't give you money. That is why I don't give you money. वह बहुत सुस्त है। He is very sluggish. He is very sluggish. क्या आपको ऊंचा सुनता है? Are you hard of hearing? Are you hard of hearing? मुझे कुछ खाने के लिए लाकर दो। Bring me something to eat. Bring me something to eat. सीधे अपने घर जाओ। Go straight to your home. Go straight to your home. अपने से बड़ों की हमेशा इज्जत करो। Always respect your elders. Always respect your elders. मैं कभी कभी बहक जाता हूँ। Sometimes I get carried away. Sometimes I get carried away. वह ठीक मेरे सामने था। He was exactly in front of me. He was exactly in front of me. वो अलग बात है। मैंने कुछ नहीं देखा। That's a different matter. I did not see anything. That's a different matter. I didn't see anything. तुम तो पैदाइशी झूठे हो। You are a born liar. You are a born liar. लड़ने के लिए जिंदगी बहुत छोटी है। Life is too short to fight. Life is too short to fight. मेरी नजरों से दूर हो जाओ। Get out of my sight. Get out of my sight. बात को बढ़ाओ मत। Don't elongate the matter. Don't elongate the matter. मैं उसे काबू नहीं कर सका। I could not control him. I couldn't control him. अंग्रेजी मेरी समझ से परे है। English is Greek to me. English is Greek to me. अपनी गाड़ी यहां मत खड़ी करो। Don't park your car here. Don't park your car here. वह मन ही मन मुस्कुरा रही थी. She was inwardly smiling. She was inwardly smiling. कुछ चीजें हमारे बस में नहीं होती. Few things are not in our control. Few things are not in our control. मानना पड़ेगा तुम बहुत होशियार हो. I have to admit you are so clever. I have to admit you are so clever. क्या तुम इसे लेकर जा सकते हो? Can you take it away? Can you take it away? मुझे हर हाल में अंग्रेजी सीखनी है. I have to learn English by all means. I have to learn English by all means. मैं आज बहुत थका हुआ हूँ. I am exhausted today. I am exhausted today. हम सब जा रहे हैं. All of us are going. All of us are going. वह आने वाली है. She is about to come. She is about to come. मुझे घूमने का शौक है. I am fond of traveling. I am fond of traveling. मेरे मुद्दों से दूर रहो. Stay away from my matters. Stay away from my matters. बुरा मत मानो. Don't get offended. Don't get offended. मैं कभी पैसे उधार नहीं देता. I never lend money. I never lend money. हम एक ही कक्षा में पढ़ते थे. We were in the same class. We were in the same class. तुम बेवजह परेशान हो रहे हो. You are stressing out for no reason. You are stressing out for no reason. आमने सामने बात करो मुझसे. Talk face to face with me. Talk face to face with me. उसने मुझे बुरी तरह से डरा दिया. He scared the hell out of me. He scared the hell out of me. तुम नहा क्यों नहीं लेते? Why don't you take a shower? Why don't you take a shower? उसे साफ साफ मना कर दो. Give him a flat refusal. Give him a flat refusal. उसने आज कितना मुनाफा कमाया? How much profit did he make today? How much profit did he make today? तुमने मेरा फोन क्यों नहीं उठाया? Why didn't you pick up my call? Why didn't you pick up my call? मैं बाथरूम में था. I was in the bathroom. I was in the bathroom. मेरा फोन साइलेंट मोड पर था. My phone was on silent mode. My phone was on silent mode. तुम बाद में नहीं बता सकते थे. Could you not tell it later? Could you not tell it later? मैं 2 महीने से तैयारी कर रहा हूं. I have been preparing for 2 months. I have been preparing for 2 months. मैं खुद कर लूंगा ये काम. I'll do it myself. I will do it myself. मोबाइल चार्ज पर लगा दो. Put the mobile on charge. Put the mobile on charge. चलो घूमकर आते हैं. Let's go for a walk. Let's go for a walk. मैं तुमसे तंग आ चुका हूं. I am fed up with you. I am fed up with you. उसने मेरे साथ बहुत गलत किया. He really did wrong to me. He really did wrong to me. तुम इतने लापरवाह कैसे हो सकती हो? How could you be so irresponsible? How could you be so irresponsible? वह रंगे हाथों पकड़ा गया. He was caught red-handed. He was caught red-handed. तुम कल पार्टी में क्यों नहीं आए? Why didn't you show up at party yesterday? Why didn't you show up at party yesterday? मुझे कभी कम मत समझना. Don't ever underestimate me. Don't ever underestimate